Hey guys, it's Mark again at Wired Kustoms Motorsports. This is a video of a 2015 Dodge Ram. We added a 6-inch rough country lift to. The truck came into us with the airbags completely gone, and the customer, instead of swapping out the airbags, had the great idea on let's go ahead and lift it up. So while the customer was driving around with the airbags completely depleted, he broke front axles. Both front axles came in broken. Once we completed it, we always take it on a test drive for about 30 minutes just to double check that everything's tight, there ain't no problems, and then shortly afterwards we take it to get an alignment. Once the truck returned from its test drive, we just double checked everything, make sure everything's tight, call the customer. He picked up these old parts you see here. We like to always give them back their old parts so they know that what we have charged them for is what they paid for. Thank you for watching, guys.